Backhanded shot scored. That backdoor play shot scored.
As the Grizzlies kind of fans on set to them. A quick shot out in front, and Strong scores, and it's just like that.
Gets it out to Thomas, and then flip back to him, and a turnover right in the slot. Save made, rebound, and a goal. And then off the backboards, and the shot gets. How did that go in? Wow.
So good there. It's Strong. He's got a goal tonight. Strong with a shot. Save made by Buckland, and it trickles in, and they score. It's 4-0, and Strong will get his second.
And a great play by the Booker player. Oh, he shoots his score. It's number 7, Caleb Strong. Says, I'll take.
Here's a 3-on-1 if they hurry. And a goal by Strong! Here's Strong. Strong in all alone. And a goal by Caleb Strong! Here's Caleb Strong. He's in all alone. Shot a goal! Looking for a man. Backhanded shot scored.
Caleb Strong with the puck, and that is in the net. Who else but Brandon Connett? In walk-off fashion, the Alexandria Blizzard are going to take this one away from the Steel. That's 6-5 in overtime off the stick of Brandon Connett and Caleb Strong.
Drop pass. Going across. Fired, scored. They got it inside the near post. That was Brandon. Face-off won by the Blizzard. Trying to go across. Scored. Bussey off the draw. Played out front on the backside. Steered aside momentarily. Back up in front. He scores.
Strong comes in, give and go pass in front. Shot taken. They score.